Welcome to Rebuild Projects. Today we're working on a shop shower. Shower curtain, shop, 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 shower curtain. I think I got it. Welcome back to Rebuild Projects. Today we're working on a shop shower curtain solution. So today in the shop we are working on a solution to a problem I've had for a while. Dust control and future area in the shop to paint the boat. I was in the shower and it just came to me. Literally I was staring at it and I was like, this is so basic, but it's actually a little genius. So today we are building a shop shower curtain solution to the dust control problem that I have here. Basically, we're going to take the shower curtain as an inspiration, but we're going to, make it big. So 20 feet by 20 feet by 20 feet. And that's going to isolate the tools and the shelves of stuff. And most importantly, all of our project outboards from any dust that's about to happen. And there's going to be a lot of it, I know. I'm tired of vacuuming up every time I have a sanding session. And I'll tell you this, I have at least 200 or 300 hours of sanding in it. So you could just imagine probably 30 hours of vacuuming after that. So I want to keep all that to a minimum going forward. Plus, I want to spray this. I want to spray a high build primer on it, and I want to spray, the finish coats on it. And it has to get done here. I haven't found another or better place. So I'm going to head out, get the materials. I'll share the price with you when I get back. Tools we're going to use, all stuff you can buy at your big box store. We've got some 1/2 inch galvanized electrical conduit, 12-foot lengths. I've got 6 of those. We have some galvanized 90-degree corners for the 2 back corners. And we've got some eye bolts, 8 inches long, and some J bolts, 8 inches long. We need to take and combine 2 lengths of the conduit, strategically pre-drill and screw in these bolts. So the J bolts will go in the center of the joists that I have. I'm very lucky in the shop here that I have a joist that runs about 1 foot out from this shelf, and it's a mirror image on that side. And then because all my joists are on this way on 16s, I'm able to put these J's and these I's wherever I want to along there. So I'm going to probably mirror this and bring it out 1 foot. But with the J bolts in the middle and the I bolts strategically placed about, I'd say, 1 foot in from the ends of the galvanized pipe, I'll be able to get the pipe on and supported by the J bolts, slide it through the eye bolt. Now let me slide it through the other side of that, and that will be pretty secure, being held up by 4 of those. Once we have the 3 runs in place on these back 2 corners, I will connect the rods with the galvanized 90s and then just send a self-tapper through those. It'll add a little bit of rigidity, and we can start taking some tarps. So these are just some white 10 foot by 24 foot long tarps that I have with grommets all around them, pre-done grommets. That combined with some clear, heavier duty zap straps that I'm going to make 3-inch loops, we're just going to create a big shower curtain, shop curtain. And I'll be able to move that back and forth when we're doing the sanding. In the corners, I can use some chip clips, bread clips, some clamps to clamp the edges so it doesn't get through there. And then, that is my idea of a DIY solution paint sanding zone solution. Let's go for it.
I don't do solo, you be Yoko, I'll be Ono. I don't wanna live in mono, stay in remedy my phone. We can party down in Soho, gets me up when I am Lolo. I say Marco, you say Polo, night is single, let's go Lolo. Let's you wait, I don't do solo, you be Yoko, I'll be Ono. I don't wanna live in mono, stay in remedy my phone. We can party down in Soho, gets me up when I am Lolo. I say Marco, you say Polo, night is single, let's go loco. La 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 la. Let's go loco. Night is single, let's go loco. Let's go loco. I don't do solo, you be Yoko, I'll be Ono. I don't wanna live in mono, stay in remedy my phone. We can party down in Soho, gets me up when I am Lolo. I say Marco, you say Polo, night is single, let's go Lolo. Let's go loco. Let's go loco. Let's go loco. Let's go loco.
Well, it's fun to have a little project that you can just whip up in a day. Takeaways, I think, if I'm thinking about it, keep your curtain or tarp a little bit long. I think once you do a big sanding session, any dust that does fall will, fall towards the center if it's draped a bit long. If it was short, it could kick up and kind of defeat the purpose of what you're doing. Over and above that, I think, we're into everything for about $150. That includes the conduit, the I and J bolts, as well as the tarps and the zap straps. Not a really costly thing to do. And I think compared to a multi-$1,000 paint booth, don't get me wrong, it's not equivalent, but I think it might just solve my problem. Next, we're going to be jumping right into this outboard here, getting this tuned up, and then I'm going to go over all the other outboards in the next video. And then I am going to continually work on another last coat of fairing. I'm going to do one big skim coat, and then I bought some cool toys to get an even more fair side. So we're going to do that, really test out the curtains. So yeah, I will see you soon, and thank you for joining me at Rebuild Projects. Shower curtain shop, shower curtain shop, shower curtain shop, shower curtain, shower curtain, shower crap, shower shirtin, shower, shower, shirtin, shop, shower, shop, shower curtain.